In original way, law is deeper than that. It's not man-made. It is the laws of nature. It's the laws of creation. It's the laws of doing our best to understand the creation and fitting into that. That's Indigenous law, is to not only to fit into it, but to enjoy fitting into it, to revel in it, to bask in it, to find comfort into it, in that, to belong within that, and to recognize that belonging so that there is no sense of separation, there is no sense of wanting to change it. There's a flow. There's like a big field of frequency, of vibration, of energy that is perfect in its own constant dynamic change way of being. And as humans, we can fit into that. That is the Indigenous law way of being, is law just is.